Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video, let's learn about how to make Mother's Day card using Mother's Day card maker. So let's get started. For that, we can get into any browser and simply search for Mother's Day card maker, and we'll be able to see various options. You can simply go and search for brandcrowd.com as well, and we get the link like this. Simply get into it. Now we get to see various templates options over here. To edit it, simply click on the required changes you want. If you want different background, you can simply choose it. If you want to change the logo color or any of the changes you want, you can simply do the required changes over here. And once you are done, click on download or print and your card is ready. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.